The Vivo V9 is one of two Vivo smartphones, scheduled to launch this month. Like the Vivo X21, the V9 also has a notch in its display, and vertically arranged dual rear cameras. Live photos of the phone were posted online a few days ago, and more have been leaked again today. Full specs of the phone have also been leaked. They are unconfirmed, and should be taken with a grain of salt. The Vivo V9 is said to feature a 6-inch, 2160 by 1080 AMOLED display, covered with Gorilla Glass 5. The Vivo V9 fueled with Snapdragon 660 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM. It will have 64 GB of expandable storage. As for the camera, it features a dual camera setup at the back. It has 12MP plus 8MP dual camera on its rear. Vivo V9 has 3250 mAh battery. It will run FunTouch OS 4.0, based on Android Oreo. Its dimensions are said to be 7.2 mm thick, with a weight of 159 grams. The Vivo V9 comes in a white box, which has an image of the phone front on it. It also has the World Cup Russia 2018 logo, and a text that says official smartphone. This is a confirmation that Vivo will be one of the sponsors of the tournament. There is also a tagline that reads "Perfect shot, perfect view," which hints at the phone's selling points, its camera features, and it has 19:9 aspect ratio, with full screen display. Unlike the images that leaked a few days ago, which shows the gold variant, this new leak is of the black version. It is also feature a notch. Just like iPhone X, sitting within the notch is a confirmed 24MP front-facing camera, the earpiece, and the sensor. There is a bit of chin on the Vivo V9, unlike the iPhone X, which it takes its design from.